सो वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स मेट्रोलॉजी एंड क्वालिटी कंट्रोल क्लासेस में। सो लास्ट क्लास हम लोग देखे हैं डायल इंडिकेटर का वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल, कंस्ट्रक्शन, एडवांटेजेस, डिसएडवांटेजेस, क्लासिफिकेशंस, ये सारा कुछ हम लोग ने देखे हैं। तो चलिए हम लोग इस लेक्चर में पढ़ेंगे सिग्मा कंपैरेटर, न्यूमेटिक कंपैरेटर के बारे में हम लोग इसको पढ़ते हैं। कंटेंट ऑफ द लेक्चर: working principle of sigma comparator, advantages, disadvantages, applications of sigma comparator, working principle of pneumatic comparator, advantages and disadvantages of pneumatic comparator, applications of pneumatic comparator. So we will see working principle of sigma comparator. Sigma comparator, working principle of sigma comparator. Sigma comparator is a simple mechanical comparator developed by the Sigma Instrument Company, USA. This is frictionless device for magnifying small motion of spindle. So the Sigma Instrument Company is developed by this comparator. So this is a frictionless device for magnifying small motion of a spindle. So two rectangular blocks out, which one is fixed, the other movable, assembled as shown in the figure. If you see this picture, we have a fixed member and then one moving member, right? It is a fixed, it is a moving member. When they are joined each other by using strip springs and the force is applied from the top side, it will give an angular deflection. This causes the pointer give magnified movement through the arm which is attached to moving member. If any force is applied in a moving member, the moving member will be moved, so that will give an angular deflection. So that angular deflection give magnified through the arm which is attached to the moving member. So जो मूविंग मेंबर को अटैच किया हुआ है, सो पॉइंटर ने वो पॉइंटर मैग्नीफाई होंगे, that will give an reading. Construction and working of sigma comparator. So वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल हमने देखे हैं पिछले स्लाइड में. So in this slide we will see the construction and working of sigma comparator. So now we can see the parts. First of all, this is a plunger, right? This is a plunger. It is a slit diaphragm. It is a knife edge follower. It is a screw, right? It is a slit diaphragm, and then these are the fixed member and moving block. So लास्ट हम लोग देखे हैं कि लास्ट से पिछले स्लाइड में हमने देखे. सो हाउ द प्रिंसिपल द फिगर विल बी अप्लीकेबल हियर. सो and then it is in a y arms, and then prosperous driving one, and this is in a pointer. So this is in a pointer, so this is an indicator. So now how it will be works. So if this is the construction, so the plunger will be attached with the slit diaphragm. The slit diaphragm will be, it will be move, plunger will be move freely, and then the knife edge follower. This is a knife edge. So knife edge will be used for up and down purpose. Which purpose? The load acting on the moving block, the knife edge will be apply the load on this one. This is a spear bearing block. Spear bearing block यहाँ पे है. So and then the fixed member is here. So the fixed member is here, the movable member, the fixed member is constant, so it will not be moved. That movable member is moving, then there is a deflection here. So the automatically, then there is a deflection, the pointer will attach with the phosphorus branch driving band. So the automatically the pointer will be moved, that will be shows a reading. So let us, we will how it will be work, we will see here how. So this plunger will moves up and down. This plunger will moves up and down. If you set any workpiece here, if you set any workpiece here, so what happened? The workpiece will be touched with the plunger. The slit diaphragm will be support the plunger to the up and down movement. When it will downward will comes, the knife edge all follower will comes downward position. Right? What happened? The knife edge follower will touch with the moving block. Automatically, what happened? The moving block will come downward position. Then it will become downward position. The what happened? The Y arm also come downward position. So when it will comes downward position, when it will comes as a downward position, so what happened? The reading, the pointer will comes in a this direction. Because of here it is a frictionless drum, it is a phosphorus branch driving band, so it is a frictionless driving drum is there, so automatically it will comes downward. When knife edge follower will comes downward, because of it is a fixed position, it is an movable condition. So when the plunger moves up, what happened? This one, the Y arm and moving block will also goes upward position. The moving block and also will upward position. What happened? This Y arm also move forward upward position. When it will move upward position, so automatically what happened? The pointer will move this direction. The pointer will move this direction. So this is the function of sigma comparator. If you see, this is the length. Suppose this length is L. Suppose this length is L. This length is L. Suppose the distance is A. The distance is A. This is how we will calculate the magnification. So that is L by A. First condition is L by A. It is a first condition. Next, if you see this question, this from here to here, the distance is smaller. Driving drum, the distance is smaller. And the next one, here to here, the distance is capital R. The distance is capital R. Capital R. So this one into the capital R by small r, it will give a magnification. So how the reading will be there, that will give a magnification. So students, यहाँ पे सिग्मा कंटर का प्रिंसिपल ये है. सो इट इज ए लेवर का प्रिंसिपल पे ये काम करते हैं. सो व्हाट हैपेंड really, once again I am explaining here. The plunger moves downward position, so automatically knife edge follower moves downward position. Now when downward position it will comes, the knife edge follower, what happened? The movable condition, right? So when it comes downward position, the Y arms moving the members due to the deflection of moving member, position arm also changes. So then when moving block will becomes downward position, the Y arm position also will be change. So when it will be change, so automatically the drum also connected with the pointer. So this direction also will be change like this. So if this will be downward position, if the plunger will goes upward direction, the movable block also goes upward direction, the pointer will goes like this. So this is a construction and working of sigma comparator. Advantage and disadvantages and applications. So it has got a bold scale and larger indicator. So it is got a bold scale and a larger indicating power. Next, there is no need of power supply for this sigma comparator. There is no need of power supply. The construction is robust and compact. Construction is robust and compact. Disadvantages: due to the motion of moving parts, friction is more. The sensitivity is comparatively low. There are chances of parallax error. There is a chances in the parallax error. Applications: mass production. You can use the mass production, and then sigma comparator is used in selective assembly. So this is sigma comparator. I gave in description. I gave the link, so you can see the link. The sigma comparator animations you can see. So you will understand easily the concept of sigma comparator. Next one, working principle of pneumatic comparator. The pneumatic gauging is based on Bernoulli's theorem. So the pneumatic gauging is based on the Bernoulli's theorem. Next, the basic principle involved is to convert changes in length of surface displacement into changes of pressure of air. So if pressure will be changed, the surface area of displacement will be length of the surface displacement. If any displacement changes है, automatically pressure पे changes होगा. This is the basic principle that will be based on the theory of Bernoulli's theorem, right? It is also called as a Solex pneumatic comparator. In exams they will ask like this. It is write the construction and working principle of pneumatic comparator. The basic principle is involved convert the change in length of surface displacement into change in of pressure of air. Construction and working of pneumatic comparator. So construction working of pneumatic comparator. So how it will works? How it will works in pneumatic comparator? If you see this pneumatic comparator, there is a here there is a compressor. Here this is a compressor. The construction compressor is there, and then filter is there, orifice is there. This is a water tank. It is a manometer. This is a gauge head what we are. So it is a restricted jets. So the air will flow this in this way. So these are the workpiece what we are going to measure. So before this pneumatic comparator. So this is a pneumatic comparator. If you see, this is compressor, filter. So orifice, gauging head. We are already here. This is compressor, right? This is compressor. This is filter. What is the function of compressor function? What is the function for compressor? It's compress the lower pressure air to higher pressure. What is the function of filter? Filter will be if any dust particles, if any dust in the air will be there, that will catch up in the filter. And what is the function of orifice? It is a pressure regulator. So manometer we have to calculate the pressure head, right? Calculate the pressure head. So how it will work? If you see, the compressed high pressed compressed air will goes through the filter. It goes through the filter. What filter will do? If any dust particle will be there collected, the pure air goes through this flexible tube. So what happened? The air will goes like this. The air will goes like this. Some of the air will comes here. Some of the air will comes here. Some of the air will goes like this. Some of the air will goes like this. So in this orifice through it will be goes. So the pointer here will the orifice through the orifice it will be goes the air. So if you see, the compressed air go through the filter and then orifice, and then some of the air comes into the water tank. What happened when air is comes? It will be in a bubble form, right? It will be in a bubble form. Then air will comes, it will be in a bubble form. So the air now it will be goes. Some of the air it will comes. Some of the air also will comes like this, right? Right. Some of the air will goes like this. So what happened? First of all, we will make the standard piece here. So we will measure. So there is no deflection because of water level indicator and manometer will be the same condition, right? Here it will be in a same level. So when we remove the standard piece and we will put the workpiece here, it is in a workpiece. When air will be closed, the gauging head will move like this and like this. So if any uneven surfaces are there, suppose if any uneven surfaces are there, what happened? The air is not fully freely. यहाँ से हमारा air जो है freely move नहीं होते हैं. So because of that, what happened? The restricted air comes back. Restricted air comes back pressure. So what happened? So the restricted back pressure air will goes like this because of there is no restriction. So that's why the air will goes like this. The air will occupy this space. So what happened? The air will occupy the space, this one. So automatically the water will go enter into the tank. So tanker level is high. So the manometer level is low because of the air comes from back gauge head. The gauge head will fill this thing. So when gauge head the manometer will be occupied the air by in the manometer the air is occupied here, so automatically water back to the tank. So the tank level will be higher and then manometer level will be low. So this pressure head, this is the head difference, we can calculate we can convert it into the pressure reading, whatever the our meaningful thing will be there. Then we can convert 1 mm of H is equal to 1 mm or 1 mm of mm H is equal to 1 centimeter, the based on the calculations. So in this this figure we RFS the main function pressure controlling के लिए. So this is construction and working of pneumatic comparator. I gave in the description I gave the animation link. If you see the animation link, you can understand easily how it will be works, right? How it will be works. Advantages and disadvantages. High magnification, it is in a high magnification. Accuracy is more due to the few members of moving parts and some cases none. So accuracy is more than that of the mechanical comparators because of there is a no moving parts and some cases none. Okay. And then a jet of air helps cleaning the dust if any from the part to be measured. So the air will be helpful while we are measuring the parts, if any parts to be measured. So can be handled by semi-skilled worker. So कोई भी semi-skilled worker इसको handle कर सकते हैं. Disadvantages. It requires auxiliary equipment such as a pressure regulator, manometer and compressor. So it requires a auxiliary equipment such as a pressure regulator, manometer and compressor. So compressor का हमने regulator, manometer, that auxiliary equipment will be need for this comparator. Different gauges heads also required because of different dimensions के लिए you will need different gauge heads. So support to 30 mm diameter, 50 mm diameter, 75 mm diameter. So based on the diameter, different gauge heads are required for this comparator. This is the disadvantages. It is not portable because of we are not shifting from one place to another place. It is a fixed. So if you want to measure anything, you can come particular operator for this comparator. नीड एक्सटर्नल पावर सप्लाई टू ड्राइव द कंप्रेसर। सो कंप्रेसर को हम लोग ने पावर देना है, तभी हम लोग इसको पावर ये घूम सकते हैं। ऑफ न्यूमेटिक कंपैरेटर to check the bores of motor car cylinder block. If any cylinder blocks, when we are checking the diameters, so if any uneven surfaces will be there, that time this pneumatic comparator will be helpful. So to check the various parameters like inside diameter, outside diameter, height, depth, straightness, squareness, etc. सो इनसाइड डायमीटर करने के लिए, आउटसाइड डायमीटर, हाइट करने के लिए, डेप्थ करने के लिए, स्ट्राइटनेस करने के लिए, स्क्वेयरनेस करने के लिए हम लोग इसको देख सकते हैं, राइट। समरी, हम लोग सिग्मा कंपैरेटर का वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल देखे, कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड वर्किंग देखे, एडवांटेजेस देखे, वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल ऑफ न्यूमेटिक कंपैरेटर देखे, इसका कंस्ट्रक्शन न्यूमेटिक कंपैरेटर दिए, एडवांटेजेस डिसएडवांटेजेस। ये न्यूमेटिक कंपैरेटर, ये सिग्मा कंपैरेटर लास्ट ईयर क्वेश्चन में भी पूछा गया है, न्यूमेटिक कंपैरेटर बिफोर लास्ट ईयर भी क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है। सो इसका एनिमेशंस जो है हमने डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दिया हुआ है, इफ यू गो थ्रू द लिंक्स यू कैन ईजिली अंडरस्टैंड थ्रू द एनिमेशंस। Books you can go through it, it will be give a clear idea more about, you can study as a theoretical construction and everything. So in this lecture we studied sigma comparator and pneumatic comparator. In last lecture we will study electrical comparator, electronic comparator, right? Thank you students.